Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle about the classification of humans. This is under Science 8, Quarter 1, Week 6. For our lesson objectives, identify and describe the taxonomic classification of humans from domain to species. Demonstrate appreciation for the scientific classification system by expressing curiosity and respect for the biological connections between humans and other organisms, and compare and contrast the classification of humans with that of other animals, example chimpanzees, cats, and frogs. For motivational activity, let us answer this question. Look at the image. This animal has a backbone and is warm-blooded. What is this? What is its class? Okay, Mammalia. Number 2. This organism is a frog. It lays eggs in water and lives both on land and in water. What is its class? Okay, Amphibia. This animal is a chimpanzee. It has grasping hands and forward-facing eyes. Okay, Primates. This animal is a cat. It belongs to the group of meat-eating animals. What is its order? Okay, Carnivora. This organism is a dog. It has a backbone and is covered with fur. What is its phylum? Okay, Phylum Chordata. Yung may backbone. So, kasama din dyan ang human kasi may backbone tayo. This is a lion. It is a multicellular animal that eats other organisms. What is its kingdom? Okay, very obvious. Animalia. This organism is a simple single-celled organism without a nucleus. What is its domain? Okay, Bacteria. This is the highest and broadest level of classification. Domain. Humans belong to this genus. Okay, Homo. This level of classification groups together related genera or the plural of genus. Okay, family. Have you ever wondered why we are called Homo sapiens and not something else? If we lined up a human, a chimpanzee, a cat, and a frog, what makes us different and how are we still connected? So yun yung ano natin, yun yung scientific name ng tao, ng modern man, is the so-called Homo sapiens. The Homo is the genus name and the sapiens is the species name. So kinukuha po scientific name is sa genus and then sa species. What is taxonomy? This is the science of naming, describing, and classifying organisms. Taxonomic hierarchy of humans. Our domain is Eukarya or organisms with complex cells, yung may nucleus. Our kingdom, we belong to Animalia based on science. This is based on science. So, multicellular, heterotrophic organism. We feed on other living things or we cannot be able to make our own food. So, hindi tayo autotroph. We are heterotrophic organism. Our phylum is Chordata, animals with a backbone. So, kasama pala tayo dun. So again, based sa science, we belong to kingdom Animalia. So, class, we are Mammalia. We possess mammary gland, warm-blooded, and hair-covered animals with mammary gland. Order, we are primates, animals with grasping hands and forward-facing eyes. Parang parehas nung chimpanzee. Family, we are Hominidae, great apes including humans. So, kapamilya daw pala natin po ito. Based sa characteristics. Genus, we are Homo or human genus. And our species is Sapiens, modern human. That's why our scientific name ng tao is Homo sapiens. So, for quiz, what is the scientific name of humans? A. Homo sapiens. B. Homo erectus. C. Homo habilis. D. Primata. Okay, Homo sapiens. Class, do humans belong to? Reptilia, Mammalia, Amphibia, Insecta. We are Mammalia. We possess mammary gland. Humans are part of which domain? Okay, we belong to yung complicated, Eukarya. Humans are vertebrates. What is their phylum? Yung phylum, sabi natin kanina, ay may backbone. Ano ba yon? Chordata, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata. Yan. Echinoderm. Yung mollusca po, yung mga kagaya ng shell ng ng kuhol. We are chordata or chordates. Meron tayong backbone. The kingdom of human is based sa science again. Saan tayo? Okay, based sa science, we are in Animalia. What is the correct genus of human? Okay, we are Homo. Genus. At ang species natin is Sapiens. What order do humans belong to? Carnivora, Rodentia, Lagomorpha, Primates. Kasama pala tayo sa primates. Which of the following ranks is most specific? O, yung pinaka-lowest na. Kung saan dito yung nagkakaroon na ng reproduction. Dapat ang reproduction belong to the same species. That is the lowest or the most specific classification of living beings. What taxonomic rank is shared by all mammals? Order, domain, class, species. Okay, class. Class Mammalia. Which feature separates humans from other species? Cell wall, photosynthesis, exoskeleton, opposable thumbs. Okay, wala naman tayong cell wall. Hindi naman tayo plant. So, hindi naman tayo nag-undergo ng photosynthesis kasi wala nga tayong chlorophyll. Exoskeleton, hindi naman tayo kagaya ng kuhol na nasa labas ang skeleton. So, we are opposable thumbs.